Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, First, let me introduce myself. My name is Ulil Absar, and I'm from 23 BCI 01 with student number 2361 and 00259. Okay, in this video, I would like to present or explain about my code from the basic classification using the CNN from scratch and the analysis about my model. Okay, so the first in my model, I would like to import the dependencies or the libraries like OS, operating system, NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Random, matplotlib and build from the image, and also because we try to make the basic classification which has image dataset. I use TensorFlow for my library, and I import the warning to ignoring the warning from any system. Okay, and next, first I'd like to clone the dataset from GitHub, and the next I check uh, the inside of my uh, file that I was cloned from it, and then I check class or the divided dataset, the divided file from it, which is testing and training. And I uh, I divide any file into the base directory, train directory, and the test directory. And the next, it's important for me to check what's inside from the train directory, which has 20 class, Batik Garutan, Batik Cendrawasih, etc. And after that, I need to understand the dataset before pre-processing and make the modeling. First is data distributions, which you can see in here that any class it has good distribution, but you can see a few class which has which has less data set. Okay, and the next image shape that I try to use five sample image to check the size of image, which has different size. And the next showing sample from data trend, so I could see that the data set look like house look like. And as you can see that the image from the dataset are not good because it needs to augmentation and need to edit. And the next, before we go to the modeling, we have to pre-processing file first, split it into the train and validation. And you can see that validation split need 20% from the train, and this is the result of loading the processing. And after that, my last digit is out, so we have to use five layer for the convolutional neural network. But before we have to augmentation image that we know and before that the images are not very well, and because my last digit is 9, so I have to apply the brightness adjustment and shifting. This is the brightness range from 0.5 into 1.5, and the shift range width and height. And the next is the CNN model, which has 5 layer and using the softmax. And the next is create callback. Why would I should create the callback? To avoiding from the underfitting or overfitting. Yeah. And after that, by using the early stop and reduce learning rate, I trained the model using the epoch 50 and the bit size 32, and also included the callbacks. Okay, and after that, I took the evaluation, which has really bad test accuracy and the test loss. And I checked into the confusion matrix, which has a very bad distribution correlation, and has really bad accuracy. It shows that only 0.05 accuracy. And when I check the training and validation metrics to show how it looks, it shows that model loss over time has many gap from the training loss and the validation loss. And the model accuracy, it has a little gap from the training accuracy and validation accuracy, but we see that the accuracy is flat, going flat. The accuracy should be step to step height, and the loss it has to be step to step to down. And the base validation loss you can see at the 3 at epoch 16, and the base validation accuracy at the first epoch. So if we try to random test, it will get the wrong predict. Uh, and as you can see, this one images that show the true label and the predict label is true, is same, but you can find this result only little percent, like one, like 0.05%. And from my analysis that we can make it better, or we can repair the model by first the data augmentation. Maybe we have to take another parameter like flip or another horizontal flip, vertical flip, and another. And also, if we have to make it the CNN model from scratch, we have to set again by tuning uh, the model. And the next, we have to set bed size. Maybe we have to try to change the bed size into 16, even the pop is 50. And there's another way to get high accuracy by using the present model to fine tune the model that it will give us high accuracy. Also, the validations, the best validations. And maybe that's from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.